Anything you need to change?
I don't think so.
How'd it feel?
I think it felt great. I'm gonna have no problem eating up those miles. So,
Heck yeah, man.
well, today I'm starting my 3,500 mile road trip back to California on the bike. So I thought I should probably make it so it'd be a little more accommodating for a long road trip. And I added some Kraus Moto risers and bars, so it's a little more comfortable, a little more upright. Should make so I'm not bent over while I'm riding all the way back home. Went with the Saddleman gel seat, should hold me in with all the power that the 116's got, and should be a little more comfortable than the stock seat for long days. Had to get the passenger pegs so Brandon can ride on the back.
Yes, it's gonna be fun.
Some saddlebags, sissy bar, so that I can strap my bag to it, because I got a big Built-Well bag full of all my stuff. Gotta keep the phone charged, so I got the quad lock.
With a relocation kit.
Oh yeah, this is all part of the Kraus setup, so you can see my gauge, and I ordered a windshield and it was the wrong one, so we're just doing it raw.
Yeah.
Getting all that wind to the face.
So he did decide to keep the mid controls on the bike, and he also has the Lawless Garage B-bars, I guess if he wants to stretch out at some point in time. Go ahead and sit on the bike for us, man.
Okay.
Show everybody what you look like, because you're what, 5 feet?
5'9".
5'9". So how does it feel when you put your feet up? Or at least 1 foot anyway.
It's perfect.
Yeah, that does
It's gonna
look
be
perfect.
comfortable.
Dude, that looks
My
really
leg
good.
out?
Yeah, you can stretch out.
It's gonna be nice.
So, for all the people that don't know, how exactly did you come to terms to come into my house to get this bike? Why are you even here?
Just like many of you, I entered into his Instagram raffle. This is probably the 20th or 30th raffle that I entered into, and I just always assumed that it was not real and that they just gave the bike away to their friends. But
Well, you're a
here.
friend now. You're actually
I'm a friend now. So
we drink beer together and ate dinner.
I know. But I wasn't before I showed up.
Right,
So,
absolutely.
it was not an inside job, and I'm here to prove that even you can win an Instagram raffle.
Yes.
So enter to win his V-Rod.
Yes, giving away my V-Rod.
Yeah. And you can come hang out with him and become friends.
Yeah. You did good, man. You did really good. So, I mean, when I built this bike, I kind of built it with my vision in mind for like a bike you ride around town. But he came and had like a bunch of boxes right here from when we were putting stuff on to like 11:30 last night for like 8 hours. He set this bike up the way that he wants it to be set up. So now he's able to ride it home with stage 1 exhaust, saddlebags, his different setup. And yeah, man, you got a great bike. And he's the legal owner of a 2022 Indian Chief. And how long have you wanted to ride one of these or own one?
Since the Scout came out, I've been looking and hoping that I would own an Indian motorcycle. So I don't know, what is that, 6-7 years?
Since 2016, I think.
Stalking all the forums and reading all the updates and dreaming of one day owning an Indian. And sometimes dreams do come true.
Wait, you know what? I just realized something. You actually haven't started it up on your own yet.
No.
It's always been me moving it. So yeah, do your first startup.
They say that's what you're supposed to do before a road trip, right? Never ride the bike before and do a bunch of work to it. So that's exactly what I did.
Oh yeah, we done a ton of work to this thing, and we still don't know if it's even safe to ride. It looks so good.
Ready?
Yeah, man. That smile, man. So I did say that when you ride back, you're going to be like super tired because you have like 3,000 miles, but it's not even going to matter, is it?
No. I think I'm going to be more tired just from smiling so much. My face is going to hurt.
Well, I'm glad to be able to meet you, brother, and work on the bike together and eat dinner and drink beer and trade stories. So,
It's been amazing.
Now it's time to ride. Dreams do come true, and Nathan's dream came true. Everybody's dream comes true at some point, is what I like to think. And it was great rebuilding this bike, and it was even better the fact that he came here and he was able to put the finishing touches on the bike the way that he wanted it to. And now we're gonna go for a ride and seal the deal. And yeah, we're gonna send him off the right way as he heads back to California. So, as he said, if you haven't already, you can head over to my website by clicking right here, and you can get entered to win my V-Rod muscle. All right, my V-Rod muscle. And also, if you want to catch up on everything I did to this bike, you can click this playlist right here and start from the very beginning. But as always, thanks for listening to my stories. Got plenty of them. And if you're subscribed, which I hope you are, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.